Hi, good evening to one and all. We are planning about to complete the JNTU Kakinada R23 second year CSE department Python programming language with lab practicals also. Okay, in latest regulation in JNTUK University is providing the one of the core subject, that is the Python. Nowadays, each and every technology is moving the every day and updating the each and every tool also. Okay, in our Python also majorly using the artificial intelligence and machine learning, website development. So many real-time applications are we are using the present market is using the Python technology. That's why we are regulation is implementing the one of the best suitable course in the Python programming in JNTUK Kakinada. Okay, as per our discussion, like once we are seeing about the which concepts are involved in the entire Python subject. After that, some of the assam lab practicals also included. Once I will open the JNTUK Kakinada University syllabus copy. Okay, here see once, right, Department of the Computer Science and Engineering. Okay, the subject code is the R23CC21L3. Okay, subject name is the Python programming skills enhancement course. Okay, after that some of the COs and POs are including in that. Like after that, like CO1 is the entire course outcome is like after completing the lab practicals and Python programming also, student is understanding the how to starting the coding and how to end the code. Okay, here some of the major important concepts are included like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. Okay, up to unit 5 also. Alright, like some of the history of the Python programming language. After that, like which areas are using the Python. After that, latest software version is Anaconda platform. Okay, we are using the different ideally versions, but some of the ideally are only including the like some features only. But Anaconda, one of the best feature in the Anaconda platform is Anaconda is having the PyCharm. After that, Jupyter Notebook and VS Code. So many softwares are included. That's why Anaconda platform. How to installing the Anaconda platform. After that, how to downloading the Anaconda platform. After that, how to run the first program of the Python in different ideally or Jupyter Notebook or PyCharm or VS Code. So many platforms. Okay, after that some of the like programming languages, some of the keywords, say statements, input, how to take the inputs. After that, how to print the output in different ways, like to call the variable, otherwise to print the any message, otherwise message comma value comma message. After that, dot format method. So many ways are there to print the output in console. Otherwise, to take the input from the user in two ways. First one is the static input, second one is the dynamic input. Okay, this is entire concepts are like core Python and advanced Python is already I discussed each and every point in details. Okay, now I am planning to the how to start the programming. Okay, here some of the sample experiments are available in the unit 1. After that, unit 2. Okay, after that, like completing the sample experiments, unit 2. After that, we will discussing about the unit 3 also. Okay, first experiment is the in unit 1. First experiment is write a program to find the largest element among three numbers. My dear students, before starting the any programming task, just understanding the logic. Okay, understanding the problem statement. To understanding the problem statement is easy. After that, we will implementing the code also very easy. Okay, here like the some of the people are asking, sir, like I know the Python, like core Python, advanced Python, but I don't know how to start the coding. If you know the core Python, it is easy to implementing the one project also. Okay, I will say 100% of guarantee. If you know entire data types in Python language, you will implementing the project also very easy. Okay, right. See, after completing the my first experiment, I will do the one by one, each and everything starting to ending. Okay, the first program is write a program to find the largest element among three numbers. Among three numbers. Okay, before I implementing the code. Okay, before I implementing the code, just I am checking the my system is having the Python or not. Okay, if you do the any coding language, you must should download the related software. If you want learning the C programming language, if you must should download the turbo C plus. If you want learning the Python, you must should install the Python ideally. Okay, before implementing the code, just I am checking the my system is having the ideally or not. Just click on the Windows button. After that, just open the CMD prompt. Okay, just open the CMD prompt here, just typing Python ORRPY. Okay, after typing the Python, just click on the enter button. It will show the my system is having the 3.10.0 version. All right, my system is having the 3.10.0 version. If in case if you are developing the any one project, only one Python ideally is enough. If you want your system is having the two or more ideally, some of the cases to run the project it is too difficult to execute the project is difficult. Right, now I am again cross check the if in case my system is having the only 3.10.0 or any other versions, just to type the py extension py. Okay, so my system is having the only single IDLE, that is the 3.10.0. Okay, to starting the to start the Python coding, the IDLE version is enough, 3.10.0. After that, one of the implementing the platform. Okay, to implementing the coding platform is also important. That is the I am implementing the entire programming logics in VS Code. Okay, before opening the my Visual Studio Code platform, just I am checking the my system is having the VS Code or not. Okay, just click on the Windows button. After that, VS Code. Okay, your system is showing the like this symbol, this symbol. Your system is also having the Visual Studio Code also. Right, just remove it. Okay, now I am all the programs in implementing in the to create the single one folder. After that, opening the my folder, I am opening the my entire VS Code in that folder only. Okay, just to minimize the syllabus. Okay, this is the my folder, lab experiments folder on the desktop. Here I am creating the one new folder. New folder, that folder name is lab experiments. Right, again open the folder, created folder. Just click on the here CMD. After that, enter. Now we will open the entire VS Code in particular folder. Just to type the command is code space dot. Right, this is the my VS Code. This is the my VS Code. Here inside the lab experiments, I am creating the different folders. First folder name is the unit 1. Second folder name is the unit 2. Third folder name is the unit 3. After that, unit 4, unit 5. Okay, just I am creating the one of the folder, that is unit 1. Right, inside the unit 1, I am creating the experiment1.py file. All the students are know about the like to save the Python file, you can give the any name. After that, extension is .py file. Okay, experiment1.py. Right, yes, my file is created. Okay, after creating the file, my system, my VS Code is exactly like working is good or not in Python programs. I will check now. Okay, just I am writing the print function. After that, I am passing the one message, that is welcome to the Navya IT Solutions. Okay, welcome to the Navya IT Solutions. Right, after I am writing the print statement, just click on the three dots, take the new terminal. After that new terminal, just run the Python file. Okay, here I created Python. I created file is having or not. Just I am cross check it by using the dir function. Okay, in this location, that location is C drive users. After that, one of the my roll number. After the desktop, on the desktop lab experiment folder. After that lab experiment folder, again lab experiment folder. In this lab experiment folder, okay, in this lab experiment folder, not having the any Python file. Okay, that's why I am changing the directory just unit 1. Okay, unit 1. See, once again, like observe the path. Before path is the only lab experiment. Here, like not having the any Python files. After I am change directory my lab experiments to unit 1. Here I am once again cross check it. Here Python file is having in unit 1 folder. Right now I am here like to run the Python file by using the Python py py file name exp1.py. Okay, here I am getting the welcome to Navya IT Solutions, right? My VS Code is working on the good condition with Python also. Now I am implementing the one for Python programming. Just to close the terminal. Okay, no need of the first line of the coding. Just what is the my programming language? What is the my experiment? Experiment 1 is write a Python program. Okay, write a Python program. Right. Write a program to find the largest element among the three numbers. Among the three numbers. Just comment by using the single line comments. Okay. After that, just I am taking the three inputs. Okay. What is the task? Task is to find the largest element of the three inputs among three numbers. Okay, right. I am taking the three inputs from the user. Okay, I am taking the three inputs from the user by using the dynamic inputs. Okay, dynamic inputs. Just x int of I am taking the integer values only. Input of enter enter x value. Alright, I am taking the three dynamic inputs from the user. Okay, this is a very important. Which inputs we are taking? Like we are taking the like static inputs or we are taking the dynamic inputs. I am taking the dynamic inputs only. That dynamic inputs are x, y, z. Okay, first one is the first variable is the x. Second variable is the y. Third variable is the z. Right, like my VS code, my Visual Studio Code is taking the input from the user is exactly integer value or floating value. I will check. Okay, after reading the input from the keyboard or from the user, just we will check like inputs are coming or not. Just by using the print function, I am using the print function. I am calling x. After that y variable. After calling the z variable. Right. Now I am running the my Python file. Change directory. Unit 1. Okay, here my file is located experiment1.py. Now I am running the Python. Python space experiment1.py. Enter x value 10, enter y value 20, enter z value 40. Okay, 10, 20, 30. Okay, we am taking the inputs from the user is exactly integer value. Okay, exactly integer value. After that, I am implementing the, like, what is the problem statement? To find the largest element of a among three numbers. Okay, write a program to find the largest element among three numbers. Alright, among three numbers. I am taking the inputs from the user is only integer value. That integer values are 10, 20, 40. Okay, you can run the multiple times. You will change the inputs also dynamically. Okay, if you are running the single time, you will take some input values, examples like 10, 20, 30. If in case you are changing the inputs, like you can again running the Python file, that is automatically taking the dynamic inputs. Now I am implementing the control flow statements. Okay, my aim is to find out the which variable is the largest element, which variable is the largest element. Alright, now I am using the control flow statements, only simple if statements. My dear students, you can implementing the Python code in different ways. Okay, different ways you can implementing the code. That's why I am typing the simple if statement. Okay, simple if statement. Here in this condition where I am comparing the x variable, I am comparing the x variable compared to y and compared to z. Okay, compare it to x variable is compared to the y variable and x variable is comparing to the z variable. Okay, by using the greater than relational operator. Okay, relational operator. If you want any doubt regarding the relational operator or any like data types, how to take the dynamic inputs, how to take the static inputs, I will provide the all the one playlist. That is the Hero to Zero Python playlist in Navya IT Solutions channel. Okay, right. Once again, I will show it once how to learn the Python. Okay, just open the your Google Chrome. After that, open the YouTube. Right after that, open the YouTube. Just click on the Navya IT Solutions. This is our channel. Okay, Navya IT Solutions is our channel. Our channel is having the different projects, academic projects, and Django classes, machine learning project, like machine learning classes, and basics of the Python, core Python. Okay, like to some of the one of the playlist is how to get the solo learn certificate in C language. Okay, solo learn certificate in Python language. Okay, features of Python, each and everything we will providing. Okay, how to install the latest version, how to uninstall the Python. Okay, how to set the path also we will provide. Okay, just open this channel Navya IT Solutions. After that, if you have any doubt regarding the subject related to Python language, we can go through our channel and just learn the Python. Right here, just I am implementing the one first condition one by using the simple if statement. Like in x variable, I am comparing to y. X is greater than y. Okay, x is greater than y. And operator. Okay, and operator is one of the logical operator. Logical operator is one of the operators. Okay, entire operators are seven operators. In again, each and every seven operators is having the some subdomain operators. If example, I am taking the arithmetic operators are having the again seven operators. First one is the addition operator, second one is the subtraction operator, third one is the multiplication operator, fourth one is the division, floor division, modulo division, exponentiation. Right, similar way, like third one is the logical operator. Logical operator is having the again three subdomains. First one is the OR operator, second one is the AND operator, third one is the NOT operator. Okay, right. First condition I am comparing with the x variable to the y variable. After that I am comparing with the x variable to z variable. Yes or no? Right. See, I am using the AND operator. Okay. What is the operation of the AND operator? If inputs are 2 or true, we will get the output is true. Otherwise, we will go to the false. Right? In I am example, I am taking the x variable. X variable is the input is 100. Y variable input is the 200. Z variable input is the 300. Okay, just assume that x is the 100. 100 is greater than y. It is true or false? False. Okay, x greater than y. 100 greater than 200. It is a false. Condition 1 is false. That's why automatically second one is also false. Here, if in case, okay, if in case I am changing the dynamic inputs, okay, I am changing the dynamic inputs, it will, if in case x greater than y and x greater than z, x variable is greater than y and z, we will get the block of the code. Okay, we will get the block of the code, execute the block of the code. That's why I am writing the one print statement, print, okay, by using the dot format method, comma, curly brackets. Okay, we are using the dot format method. We can pass the how many curly brackets are open, how many curly brackets are closed. You can must and should pass the that kind of that much of parameters also, like variables also. Okay, here which one is the highest among, like which one is the largest number, like placed in the fourth curly brackets. Right here, just dot format. First one is the x variable, second one is the y variable, third one is the z variable. If when was the line number 8 is executed, that means the x variable is compared to the y and compared to the z, x variable is a high, you will execute the line number 8. Right, that's why I am just passing the x. If x value is more than to y and z, we will print the line number 8. Okay, line number 8. After that, again I am using the simple statement, y variable is comparing to the x variable and y variable is comparing to the y variable is greater than z. You must sheet. Okay, just if in case y value is greater than x and y value is greater than z, you can must and should execute the condition true. Condition 2, here just passing the y. Okay, after that I am using the third condition. Third condition also, if statement z variable is greater than to x. Okay, like, right, z variable is compared to the x variable. After that, z variable is comparing to the y variable. Okay, just z variable is comparing to the y variable. If in case I am taking the inputs, like z value is 100, y value is 50, x value is 20, the condition 3 is executed. Okay, the condition 3 is executed. Here I am writing the print statement, like I am passing the dot format method. So x comma y comma z, if in case z is the highest value of comparing to three variables, it will pass the z variable. Okay, dot format method. Here I am passing the x comma y comma z, after that z variable. Right, see, I am writing the x variable, y variable, z variable. X is the integer value, y is the integer value, z is the integer value. Condition 1, if statement is x value is comparing to the y variable and x variable is comparing to the z variable. If in case x variable is compare like more than the y variable and z variable, it will execute the block of code like line number 7. Here I am writing the another statement, also print statement. Condition 1 is executed. Condition 1 is execute executed. If in case y variable is the more than the x variable and z variable, I am passing the condition 2 is executed. Right, condition 2 is executed. If in case I am taking the inputs compared to the x variable and y variable, z value is more than to the remaining two variables, execute the condition 3. Okay, right. Now I am running my Python program. Here asking the enter a x value is 100, y value is 200, z value is 300. Okay, condition 100 comma 200 comma 300. Big number is the 3. Okay, 300. Z variable is the big number. Right, I am easy to understanding purpose. I am writing the here. Y variable is more than remaining two variables. Here, Z variable is more than the remaining two variables. X variable is more than the. Now I am once again running my programming. Just enter the X value is 10, Y value is 20, Z value is 30. Okay, I am getting the output is 10 comma 20 comma 30. Z variable is more than the remaining two variables. That value is 30. Okay, condition 3 is executed. Yes or no? If in case I am re-modifying the inputs from the user, just run it. Okay, I want to execute the condition true. Okay, condition 2. That time I am giving the inputs. Y value is more than the remaining two examples. Okay, X value is 100. Y value is 200. Okay, Z value is 150. Okay, 100 comma 200 comma 150. Y variable is more than the remaining two variables. That value is 200. Condition 2 is executed. If in case I am running the to execute the condition 1, once again I am running the programming language. X value is the 1k, I mean 1000. Y value is the 500. Z value is the 300. Okay, now it will execute the condition 1. Okay, 1000 comma 500 comma 300. X variable is more than remaining two variables. Okay, yeah, this is the exactly correct output of the first experiment. Okay, first experiment of the syllabus. First experiment of the unit 1. Write a program to find the largest element among three numbers. Okay, by using the here, my dear students, one of my best suggestion is which operator we are using, which logic is we are using. Just write down that operation or that logic, single line comment. Here I am using the logical operator, logical, logical and relational operator. Relational operator. Same operators are using the three conditions, condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3. Okay. Okay, my dear students, after executing the all the any programming language or any condition, just giving the Python like print statement, external print statement, that is program is completed. Okay, just running the program once again. X value is 1k, Y value is 2k, Z value is 3k. My output is to execute the condition 3. After that, executing the program is completed. Okay, yes. Okay, thank you guys. Tomorrow class I will explain the second experiment. Okay, how to implementing the coding starting to ending. Okay, with hands of experience. If you want any doubt regarding to the how to starting the control flow statements, how to comparing the two variables, if you have any doubt regarding to concept, you can go through the my channel Navya IT Solutions. After that, open the Python playlist, entire Python course 0 to hero. He will explain the one of the my colleague is Peddana. He will explain each and everything in starting to ending. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.